Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my quick summer night, date night, girls night, get ready with me. I'm starting off with a homemade apple cider vinegar toner, and I'm using the Alaffia night cream and rubbing that all over my face. This is my favorite foundation for summer. It's the Iman stick foundation in clay 3. I use that as a highlighter. I don't use any foundation per se, just this as a concealer. Not even concealer, but like a highlighter under my eyes. And I just do that under my eyes as well as on the highlights of my face. So the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. I also like to do the interiors of my eyes. It helps brighten up your eyes a bit. The reason why I don't use an actual concealer is because this foundation it's a stick foundation, but it's not really super creamy. It's kind of powdery as well. So for me, I have oily skin. As the day goes on, it starts to settle into my skin and look like my natural skin, just with a little bit of highlight under my eyes, and it looks really flawless. And I really enjoy this stick foundation, but just don't use too much because it can look a mess. Also, I'm using the Iman stick foundation in Earth 3. And I'm using that as my bronzer. I wouldn't really say it was a contour, just because, as you can see, it's not like a grayish dark. It's more of a reddish color for me. So I use it as a bronzer. And I'm going down the sides of my nose. Everywhere that you would contour or bronze, that's where I'm contouring and bronzing. I guess you can say it's both. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that into my skin with this is like an angle brush I got from Amazon. All the brushes that I'm using in this video are from Amazon. And I think I'll go ahead and put a link down below. These brushes were only $10, so it's really inexpensive and affordable. I'm just going to go ahead and rub all of that in to my skin. And it melts into your skin like butter, honey. I'm also going to do the hollows of my eyelids as well. I'm going to take one of my other Amazon brushes. I don't know what they're called, girl, but I'm going to take one of those brushes and blend in my nose. I'm also taking another flat top brush and blending all of the highlight and contour or bronzer together, just to make it look more blended and less like I have on like a ton of makeup and you can see all the lines. I'm also going to use the brush that I use under my eyes just to carve out a little bit of a contour and then blend that in once again as well. And as you can see, it's not as defined as like a deep makeup look. I'm also using this brow pencil from Revlon Colorstay in the color dark brown and brushing in my eyebrows. Well, coloring in my eyebrows. I'm making an eyebrow girl because y'all can see I don't have much of an eyebrow. That's one thing I wish I had for summer, is just eyebrows, girl. It'll change your life. So I take some time on my eyebrows. I usually just outline my eyebrows at the bottom and the top, and then use hair-like strokes to just blend in the middle part. I'm not really a professional, but this is what works for my eyebrows, and it's pretty quick. It usually takes me 2 to 3 minutes to do my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm doing the hair-like strokes, and then I'm just going to go ahead and brush it out just so they don't look so thick and powdery. Now I'm using the same highlighter brush that I use, well, concealer brush that I use for under my eyes and just brushing out my eyebrows. I'm also using this pure highlighter palette that I got from my friend Brittany. Of course, she has a blog. I think I showed her website on my last video, but she gave me this highlight and contour palette, and I'm using the highlighter color to just go ahead and go into my cheekbones, as well as my Cupid's bow, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. This highlighter melts into your skin. It looks beautiful. I'm also using it in my tear ducts just to brighten up my eyes a bit. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies mascara just to open up my eyes. I don't use any eyeliner, and I try not to do like the spidery effect. I just try and brush them through and make my eyes look a little bit more open. I also do it on my bottom lash line as well. It opens up my eyes a little bit more, gives me like that doe-eyed effect. I'm also using this this lip stuff I got from Sephora. It's supposed to be a lip scrub. It's a honey lip scrub, but it kind of comes off like a chapstick for me. That's all I had in front of me. I'm also using a Ruby Kisses lip liner. This is one of my favorite lip liners. It's very inexpensive. You can get it from your local beauty supply store, and it's in the color Gingerbread. And I just color in the colors of my lips. I contour and highlight my lips as well because my lips are a little bit smaller, so I like to make them look a little bit fuller by coloring in the edges and then using my black Radiance matte lip cream and putting that right in the middle just to give it dimension, and then putting a lip gloss on top. So now your girl is glowing. I'm spraying my face with just some purified water that I place in a bottle. I can't really use setting sprays because they make me break out, so I try not to use setting sprays and just use purified water. Also taking my wonderful hoop earrings. They're $1.99, girl, from your local beauty supply store. And this wig here is from FridayNightHair.com. I did a review. I'll go ahead and put a link above so you can see where I got this wig and my review of this wig. And that's the finished makeup look. Don't it look natural, honey? Now, this outfit here is from Fashion Nova. I've had it for a year. This bag my husband got for me for one of my birthdays a while ago. It's a Michael Kors crossbody bag. And the material on this short set is like a satin, and it has this beautiful light design. You don't have to wear a bra. You can just kind of relax in this outfit. It feels like PJs, and as you can see on the back, it has this beautiful design that kind of accents your back and your skin tone. It kind of just helps your skin pop. It just gives you like that little peekaboo sort of look. I'm in love with this outfit. And my shoes are from Armani Exchange. My husband bought these as well. They're just the teeth strap sandals. I've had those for about 3 years. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.